Checking the fluid levels in your car is an important part of basic maintenance and helps keep your vehicle running smoothly. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to check the main fluids safely and accurately. To check the engine oil level, park your car on a flat surface and turn off the engine, allowing the oil to settle for a few minutes. Open the hood and locate the dipstick, which usually has a yellow or orange handle. Pull it out, wipe it clean with a cloth, then reinsert it fully before pulling it out again to check the level. If it's below the minimum mark, slowly add the recommended type of oil a little at a time, checking the level frequently to avoid overfilling. Regularly checking and maintaining the correct oil level helps extend your engine's life and ensure reliable performance. Coolant, also known as engine antifreeze, helps keep your engine from overheating. To check it, make sure the engine is cool. Never open the coolant cap when the engine is hot, as it can be dangerous. Open the hood and find the coolant reservoir, which is a clear plastic tank near the radiator. The fluid level should be between the low and full marks on the side of the tank. If it's low, add mix of coolant and water, or use pre-mixed coolant if your car requires it. Keeping the coolant at the right level helps your engine stay at a safe temperature and run smoothly. Brake fluid is very important because it helps your brakes work properly and safely. To check it, find the brake fluid reservoir, which is usually located near the back of the engine area on top of the master cylinder. The fluid inside should be clear or light yellow and should stay between the minute and max lines marked on the container. If the fluid looks dark or is below the minimum line, you will need to add the type of brake fluid recommended in your car's owner's manual. Keeping the brake fluid clean and at the right level ensures your brakes respond quickly and work effectively. Transmission fluid is essential for keeping your car's transmission lubricated and helping it shift gears smoothly. To check it, find the transmission dipstick, if your car has one. Pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then pull it out again to check the level and color. The fluid should be a pinkish or red color and fall between the minute and max marks on the dipstick. If it's low, dark brown, or smells burnt, you should add the correct type of transmission fluid or have it checked by a mechanic. Keeping the fluid at the right level helps your transmission run smoothly and prevents costly damage. By taking a few minutes to check and top up these fluids, you can extend the life of your car and ensure a safer, more reliable drive every time. Regularly checking your car's fluid levels is a simple but important part of keeping your vehicle in good condition.